How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. This episode, guys, we have a new product review. In this case, we have Ancel. This is a battery tester. I'm not gonna tell you that I'm gonna do a full review on this product. The only thing that I'm gonna do is test the battery, use this product for the first time. So this is not gonna be a perfect full review because in order for me to do a full review, I need to know the product. So if you go to Amazon, you can find this. Link is gonna be in the description. This is the BST500 battery system tester, and I did this before with another product, so we know what kind of battery we have and the life of this battery. With this product, you can test the battery, you can test the charging system, and you can have a printout. In this package, we have the instructions, and this one is going to be the quick start guide. So it's going to help you just in case that you don't have the cold cranking amps, just in case that you need to test the battery and you don't find any information on the battery. This quick little guide is going to help you to start checking the battery. And this is going to be really simple. The black clamp on the negative and the red clamp in the positive. When you connect your tester, it's going to ask you if you have a 12-volt battery or 24. In this case, it's 12. You press enter. Main menu. Number 1 is the battery capacity. Cold cranking amps. That's what we want to select, the cold cranking amps. And on my battery, the cold cranking amps is 500. Enter, and it's going to start testing the battery. Okay, the battery has 12.49 volts and the life of this battery is 56%. So this product is a little bit more accurate because it's going to tell you exactly the life of the battery, 56%. So my battery, I know my battery is kind of old. I think it has more than 5 years in the car, which is really good because here in Georgia it's hot, but it's not that hot. So actually I was thinking on removing the battery. Maybe later on I'm gonna make a video on putting the battery on the back on the trunk, so that's probably gonna help the battery life, because with the heat of the engine, that's what damaged the battery. Okay, so now that we know that it has 56% life, we can hit the escape button. Okay, so on the second one is the startup load. Third one is gonna be the max work load. Fourth one is gonna be the charging system. So let's check now the charging system. I'm gonna start the car and let's see the readings. I'm gonna start the car. The current volts is 14.34. Okay, so now that we know the battery life around 55%, we check all the volts, we check everything. Battery still has 14 volts, which is really good for a battery that has been in the car 5 years. So now let's check again. If you go to cold cranking amps, then when you have all the results, press enter again, and you want to print the report. Yes, you want to put the service date, ignore that. In my case, I'm gonna ignore that, and I'm gonna get the receipt. Okay guys, so I already have the printout right now. 55% live. The voltage is 12.53, and we have to and on the top the result is that we have to replace the battery. So this is a really good product. It's really easy to use. The only problem with it is the paper. If you try to print out, you have to hold it on this side so it pull out the paper. And I would say that that's the only issue that I noticed on this product. So, be honest, this little paper is just if you want to keep it for the records of your battery, that's fine. And you can put the day that you check it so you know what day you check the battery. But in my case, I know the battery is bad, I need to replace it anyways. But the printout is okay, it's good, but they need to do something with the paper when it's coming out because it gets stuck. But most of the times, I mean, who use paper, who need these papers nowadays? But it's a really good thing to have in case you wanna have the record when you check your battery. So that's all I have for you guys in this episode. Ancel is the company. Check them out. Link is gonna be in the description. You wanna get one of these battery testers. So tell me what you guys think about this product. I know this is something that is a little bit more than $100, but at the end of the day, I think it's worth it. But that's gonna be up to you guys. So I hope you like this episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.